I'm Mary Lou Proudfoot for Investmentpitch Media. Today's feature company is Minto Metals, which trades under the symbol MNTO on the TSX Venture Exchange, following a reverse takeover in November. Minto owns and operates the producing Minto Mine located in the Minto Copper Belt of the Yukon, Canada, which has been in operation since 2007, with underground mining commencing in 2014. Since 2007, approximately 500 million pounds of copper have been produced from the Minto Mine. Capstone Mining, the previous owner, put the mine into care and maintenance in 2018, and the mine operations were shut down. In mid-2019, Minto, formerly Minto Explorations Limited, purchased the Minto Mine operations and restarted the mine. The current Minto Mine includes underground mining operations, a processing plant that produces a high-grade copper, gold, and silver concentrate, and all supporting infrastructure associated with operating a remote mine located in Yukon. Minto completed 2021 with consolidated production totaling 26 million pounds of payable copper, a 46% increase versus the prior year. The full-year results were highlighted with a strong finish in November and December, during which the company delivered an average of 3,000 tons per day of ore processed through the mill and 6.1 million pounds of payable copper. Going forward, the company plans to operate the mill at an average throughput of 3,000 tons per day for the first half of 2022 and 3,250 tons per day for the second half of 2022, as the ore production continues to ramp up towards the mill's ultimate permitted capacity of 4,200 tons per day. Minto has offtake agreements with Sumitomo Canada and a precious metals agreement with Wheaton Precious Minerals, under which all copper production is sold to Sumitomo and all gold and silver production is sold to Wheaton. Under the terms of its agreement with Sumitomo, Minto receives 90% of the value of copper produced once the production is delivered to the on-site shed at the Minto Mine. The remaining 10% of the payment is received following the delivery of the production to Sumitomo at the port of Niigata, Japan, or an alternative agreed-upon location. Chris Stewart, President and CEO, stated, "The improved performance is encouraging and a testament to the drive and passion to win shown by everyone who works here at Minto. From the mine's performance to the enhancements we have seen in our milling operation, we are pleased with the production grown in 2021. I joined Minto in mid-January of 2021, and we are now starting to see the benefits of the many changes we have made, which will benefit our employees as well as our stakeholders. I am optimistic about the future at Minto and look forward to building stronger relationships with the Selkirk First Nation and the various Yukon regulatory agencies. Our goal is to carry the momentum from 2021 into 2022. All indicators are giving us reasons to be encouraged about the bright future ahead." An NI 43101 PEA technical report produced by JDS Energy effective March 31, 2021, reported a resource estimate of 11,092,000 tons of ore in the indicated category and another 13,013,000 tons in the inferred category. Concurrent with the RTO, the company raised gross proceeds of approximately $31 million from a combination of a brokered best efforts private placement offering and a non-brokered private placement offering, both priced at $2.60 per share. The shares, which begin trading on the TSX Venture Exchange on November 29th, are currently trading at $2.50. For more information, please visit the company's website, mintometals.com, contact Chris Stewart, President and CEO, at 647-523-6618, or by email at cstewart@mintomine.com. I'm Mary Lou Proudfoot for Investmentpitch Media.